Hello, this is Robert Samuelson. I'm speaking for Jen. She's still not feeling well. Her voice is very not well. But she decided to get cleaned up and showered. Here's some of the makeup she put on. Whatever that is, I don't know. It's all the same to me. But that is lip gloss. I know that. That goes on your lips. I do know that. And guess what I've learned? You know that Elf brand? That stands for eye, lips, and face. Who knew? So today I got ready. I wanted to make myself feel better. So I washed with the Watermelon Lemonade. It smells so good. And then I used the body spray, and that's the new Tropidelic lotion, or whatever. I couldn't read it too fast. And the body spray to make myself spritz up, be all smelly good the rest of the day. And it's a fragrance mist. And today's day 5 of the semi-annual sale. Day 5. How many more days? And my husband was kind enough to go after patching drywall covered in drywall joint compound and pick me up the Tropidelic shampoo and conditioner. Because if you're anything like me, you got to have that conditioner. Shampoo's not enough. Shampoo cleans your hair. Conditioner conditions it. I guess that's why they call it conditioner. Yep, and he bought me 2 of each because you can never have enough shampoo and conditioner. And we wanted to try that new soap, Tropidelic. In case you lost count, he had 2 of each. And now, while there's nothing going on, I'm going to amuse you. Do y'all remember who John Madden was? Boom! Tough actin' to actin'. Ace is the place. Put that in there. She won't notice till it's too late. So, on day 4, and now I'm getting what I ordered in on day 1. Came in the mail finally, and this is what I got. Y'all remember Andy Griffith? Remember Barney? Andy, you got a nip it in the bud, Andy. Nip it in the bud. So now I'm opening the box. I probably should have done this beforehand. And here's some spray. I can't quite make it out, but we'll talk about it again later when I have a voice. My husband will probably smell it. Knowing him, he'll probably taste it too by accident because that's what he does because he's a big goof. But it smells pretty good. But, I doubt somebody would release something that didn't smell good unless it was marketed as fart powder or something. I don't know. Still can't make it out on the phone because of the glare, but it's something. What does that say? Leaves? I don't know. But I guess she loves it because she was, holding it up to her like I love it. Like you hold a little kitten. And this is Tutti Fruity Candy. Oh, I bet that smells good. I'll have to smell that later. Knowing me, probably get on my lip too. You know how that goes. These are the ingredients, but what she doesn't realize, there's this huge glare on them where the ingredients are. And Madagascar Vanilla. Ooh, the body wash. It's going to smell good. I like to move it, move it. You knew that was coming. Don't act like you don't be surprised. Hey, you ever wondered what Taken would be like if instead of Liam Neeson, it was Kermit the Frog?
Like, I don't have much money, but what I do have are a very special set of skills. Skills that make Muppets like me a nightmare for people like you.
That's probably how it would go. Kermit the Frog in the movie Taken. So I'm holding up the 5 a lot. And there's the Wild Madagascar. That is pretty good smell. I don't know why she keeps buying me the man stuff. I like the fruity smells. I want to smell good. I don't want to smell like burnt sandalwood. If I want to smell like wood, I'll go out my wood shop. I mean, it don't smell bad, but I mean, why do men have to not smell? Why can't men smell like flowers? Why do we have to smell like mahogany? I don't know. I don't get it. And that was the Tropidelic. There was the Tropidelic conditioner and shampoo. Yep, I bought 2 of each. You never have enough.
Still waiting.
So, I don't know what she's saying. I wasn't there for the video because I was at work. I'm at work. Working. I work from home for my tech job, so there is that benefit. I'm always home when I'm not doing handy stuff. I myself took a shower and used the Bridgerton man soap scent today. I felt like being man. And now I'm waving by. Oh, one more thing. Something. I don't know. I'm doing big circles. Maybe are we talking about crop circles? Yeah. I think most of those are pranks. They showed how you can make them with, like, you know, a plank of wood and some rope. So, you know, there's that. And it's not hard if you have a center point of reference to keep a circle with the rope from the center. So it's not like there's some mysterious thing, you know. Probably just a bunch of people having pranks, you know, in the wheat or the corn. Bye. All right, am I done yet? I don't know. Just going to keep going. I'm going to cough real quick. Sorry, guys. She is very sick, guys. I don't know why she's making videos. She should rest. Yeah. Somehow, though, she's like, Robert, can you make dinner? I made a video. That's all the energy I have. I'm just messing, guys. I like making dinner. I like making the dinners. That way they taste good. Don't tell her that. But I am better at following recipes. And then she always gets amazed because it's like, how did it go so well? And I'm like, I just did what the directions say. Bye.
They move too fast, honey. For pictures. Not me again.